I have amazing news to share with you. My cookbook is finally ready for sale. You can click the link in the description to purchase this great cookbook. I've been working on it for the past 3 years, and I can proudly say that this book is going to be your ultimate guide to cooking authentic and delicious Chinese food. I carefully selected 168 recipes featuring popular takeout dishes, easy family meals passed down through generations, various regional specialties, and classic traditional delicacy. Every recipe comes with a demo video, step-by-step photos, clear techniques, and secret tips. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned chef, you will be able to cook better than takeout and savor the local meals like a native Chinese. All right, let's start today's cooking. Today, we're making Mongolian beef, one of the most popular takeout dishes in American Chinese restaurants. The funny thing is that I have never seen this dish anywhere in China, so there is no authentic recipe, but I will share my secret to making the most tender beef stir fry, which will bring your cooking skill to another level. Let's get started. Cut the beef into 1/4 of an inch thick slices. Don't cut it too thin, otherwise the meat will dry out quickly while frying. I am using flank steak today. Other cuts such as ribeye, sirloin, chuck, and top round will also work. Marinate the beef with 1/3 teaspoon of salt, some black pepper to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine. If you don't have it, you can use dry sherry as a replacement. Continue by adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 egg white. If you don't know what to do with the egg yolk, you can check my General Tso's chicken. The recipe is right here. Mix for a few minutes. Make sure to go in between each meat slices to eliminate the cornstarch lumps. The egg white and cornstarch marinade is a technique called velvety. This is the secret that Chinese restaurants use to retain the moisture of the meat, which will give you an extra juicy and tender result. Set the meat aside for 30 minutes. While waiting, we can make the sauce. You will need 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Stir well and set the sauce aside. Besides that, you will also need 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 2 teaspoons of chili flake. This is optional. If you cannot handle spicy food, don't use it. 6 scallions, which I have cut into stalks and separated the white and the green part. All right, we have everything ready. Let's cook. Turn the heat to maximum. Heat 1 cup of oil in the wok to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and add the beef one by one. It is best to add it in a certain order, so when you flip the meat over, you can start with the first piece you put in. The heat is high, so the frying time just needs a minute or 2. Don't overcook the meat. Remove the beef to the side and keep frying the next batch. In restaurants, the beef is usually deep fried, but shallow fry is much more friendly for home cooking. Once all the beef is done frying, pour most of the oil out. You can use it to cook other meals. Leave 1 tablespoon in the wok because we need that to saute the chili flake, mince the garlic, ginger, and white part of the scallions. Once everything is fragrant, pour in the sauce and stir for a couple of minutes to thicken it. Introduce the beef back to the wok along with the green part of the scallions. Keep mixing until the meat is coated with that glossy and savory sauce. Before serving, sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds for some nutty taste. The sauce is super flavorful, so this dish is best to serve with white rice or other plain foundation. Although this dish is not originally from China, the velvety technique is Chinese style. You will not believe how delicious this is. It's like magic that the meat literally just melts in your mouth. I love the savory taste. It rivals anything you could find in a restaurant. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe is right here. You can check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!